Hi, so we'll go over this to make a copy. Alicia Vikander wants you to dial M for murder. Then in the news, Blue Angels visit Owensboro. They're a flying squad. A son that is in compliance, said Williams. We asked City Manager Robert Hanna about the enforcement. He still hasn't responded. You've got a bunch of good players and a lot of past champions, said Skiadas 2, 60, who will be paired with his son John Skiadas 3. Okay, so let me put this in here and we'll zoom in on this and let you take a look. Okay, this is a gematria phrase. What I do is I go to gematrinator.com and I plug in phrases in there. And then it comes out to be certain things: reverse trigonal, like the reverse pyramid, Jewish ordinal, satanic, and reverse extended. The Jewish ordinal I relate to Strong's in the Bible, Strong's Concordance. Okay, so now that 1188 number there is the ciphers times each other and putting some of the ciphers together. Okay. So take a look at that. And then some interplanetary stuff, looking up some theories on different planets and radiuses and whatnot. I came up with Yankin Wu 9.143 is the Pyramid Y north. And that is all from an article, actually, online. But so this number is a little bit different. You get a 525 there. So, and that's the 9.143 times that 1188 there. Okay. So take a look at that. All right. So we'll go back up here. Just want to make sure we got this all good and that you can see it. Okay. That it can be readable. So then down here, 1.10 zeros 841496 equals 10865. The one that's 964325 divided by 10865, the one that's 525. That 525 is related to Corey Hall, who some, like my friend Bush said, my friend that he looked like my brother, and I thought he looked like Vin Diesel a little bit. Then I go out to California, and then Cody, who's Tier, looks like Vin Diesel a little bit. So you got all these relationships that are like Fast and the Furious microcosms. Okay, so just a little tidbit there, but that was at Lindsey Wilson, and then at Concordia. So, and then this one here. Take a look at all this. Okay. It's the 9.143 multiplied by the 1188 to get 10865, 4325. So just going over it all. So the 5235 is Randy Quaid. 15 is Leonardo DiCaprio. And 5152 is Michael J. Fox or Parkinson's. Okay. And so go from there to get 4405 365. Okay. So then up here, you get a 2353 3969 9639 04575. Okay. When you go with the Greek and the actual Cyrus, who 45 is Donald Trump. Okay. So then up here, Cuomo loses his cool about Alice. That was an interview on CNN. Princess Diana's friends howled when they found out she was engaged. Okay, that was an article. Broxy's flash across pre-dawn sky with computer outside and with Jeremy. Okay, that was this morning. Francisco Sagasti, now leader of Peru. And then I added to that to culminated Achaman, okay, which is the Strongs for today. So I get 2073 Jewish ordinal, which is Zubal, or Zebul, okay, which relates to God said he would dwell in thick darkness, and then Solomon had finished the temple, a place for God to dwell. 1 King 8:12 through 13. And then here's all the, it's all complex language with what you didn't do or did do. I don't really know how to read it, because it's like, see bread of food, non, so I didn't have bread, and then I think that was, I didn't cut off. So AC Hanai Beth G, that actually happened. That was confirmed. Okay, so like something I didn't not do, and then something that I did do today. So however you want to read that, I don't know how to read it. So that may have been a kneel today. Now, I'm not saying anything against anyone. If you're worried about the kneeling stuff, don't be. I haven't actually gotten on my knees like today. I'm just saying like it's a spiritual kneel, like you cut off, like you get out of the game sort of thing. That's all that means. You get out. Like it doesn't have to mean a bunch of people die or something. It's not like that. The Freemasons do it that way, but I'm not a Freemason, and I do have some stars though that I've gotten, but I'm doing things a little bit differently than most people. So Pison is involved, Euphrates, all those rivers of the garden are involved. So thank you.